traders, what's good? If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you subbed up, then welcome back. You know that I appreciate every single one of you. So today is Thursday the 17th of April and it's coming up 2:05, so that's like 25 minutes until the 9:30 for me Eastern time. Left side we got NASDAQ, right side we got YM or US30, and this is the 5-minute time frame for the both of them, and they look absolutely terrible. And I haven't even been looking at the charts all week. Yesterday was the first time I jumped on and actually took a trade, and it was sketchy, but it was still a good day, but it was sketchy. So looking at this is like, what the fuck? What's going on? Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Look at it. This is what we're looking at. This is like ugly. There's no nice trend. There's really nothing. It's just going sideways on the 1 hour time frame and stuck in this kind of like consolidation. I don't even really need to go to, oh wait, the 1 hour time frame on, nah, it's still ugly. You go US30, the 1 hour time frame is still shit, but it kind of looks like now maybe the both of them are trying to get out of this consolidation, maybe break under this box and carry a downtrend, because US30 is looking a little bit nicer, if you want to say, on the 1 hour time frame, but now they're both looking pretty shit. So realistically, for overall direction, I'm not looking at anything. I'm just going to go to the 5-minute time frame and see if I can mark up a setup now. Look at this now, the 5-minute time frame. You know, I'm looking for structure. I'm looking for clean places that I can get breakout lines and such. So like right now, US30 is there. This is what I could be waiting for. Maybe like a break of this trend line. Support and resistance, as far as that goes, we go like this. Like this is literally what I'm looking at on the 5-minute time frame, which it is enough. I suppose it is enough. So if I could put a breakout line down there now as well, you know, we could enter on these breaks still. So yeah, I mean, that's literally it. And then I'll target like key levels. So I'll target rounded off numbers. So you know, if we break through this area, I'm obviously going to target, say, there, put this line there, make it to a rounded off number, which would be 600, 39,600. That's the most rounded off number there. And then underneath, I suppose it's going to be there. So 100, 39,100. They're like the most obvious targets. Let me put one underneath as well, just because that one's like pretty close to the breakout area. The first one is. So you can see, like, if we break through this white line now, this would be the first TP, this would be the second TP, because they're like key levels. And I would put a take profit there as well. Actually, fuck it, I'm going to put a take profit there. So that's, yeah, 39,500. So even though that's tiny, that's an absolutely tiny little baby move, like the amount you can use on like platforms like Top Step and things like that is going to be okay. But still, realistically, I am going to be going for this second one at least. So yeah, I'm going to keep them lines there for now. Just quickly go over to NASDAQ, mark up some support and resistance. So okay, most obvious clean one to me right now would be there. We put it there. We'll put it there. Right, cool. So that's a resistance area. There's support. Obviously, if you don't know about support and resistance, it's really basic. It's like the first stuff people learn. So just watch some videos on that. I got a couple of courses in the academy dropping anyway really soon. So I'll teach you from beginner to advanced in there, but this is support and resistance. Anytime price like reverses from a certain area, like down, comes back down, that's a resistance zone. And then when price bounces from an area and up, that's a support zone. That's literally what we do. We mark up the most recent areas of support and resistance. You could put it there, you wouldn't be wrong. And you could put another box above it and put it there. And keep going if you want. Depends how cluttered you want your charts, but these are all valid areas. But I just put the most recent ones there. So seeing as we've broken through this area, we're in between this little range now. Now I'll put my breakout lines. So first breakout line is going to be there. The second one, I literally would have to go all the way up to like there. Yeah, so might as well put our resistance there. Because I'm putting my breakout lines on the most recent structure that I can see, like these little turns. You see, this is structure. So that's where I'm putting my breakout lines, and I'm getting in on the breaks. So let's put some TPs now for NASDAQ. I'm going to say this, 18,600. Yeah, so 18,600 is nice TP1. And the next one I can just put it on 50. If you notice as well, these are all lining up with structure. So if you go to the left, these are literally like where the structure is. Key levels, psychological levels, you know. And there's no coincidence price reacts from these nice rounded off numbers too. So this is where the big boys and the big people trading a lot of money is pushing price too. That's where they wanted to go. So now I got them. I'll just try and quickly get some trade ideas in the Discord. We'll just do the same kind of thing. Go over to NAS. So say like a 40 pip stop loss, because of how volatile the markets are. 40 pip stop, boom. That's it. That's literally what we do. 40 pip stops. We just take what the market gives us. We get in, we get out with scalpers, remember? So, well, I'm assuming if you're watching this channel, you're a scalper anyway, or an aspiring one. So let me just take a little picture for the Discord. US30 is super close now, super close to pushing through. Also, I'm seeing fair value gaps as well, like quite a lot of imbalances the price might want to come and tap into. Just need a bit more. Right, we are pushing with a bit of volume. Lagging again, as usual. Top step needs to sort that shit out. I was watching the Miller's channel yesterday and he was mentioning about, you know, Top Step fucking around and freezing, literally freezing. Screen is just froze. But yeah, that's not what you want on these kind of platforms. Alright, so like I said, there's some imbalances. There's a lot of imbalances actually for US30 to come and fill in. So it would be lovely if price just absolutely rocketed up now and tried filling these gaps. But you literally just got to react. Boom, imbalances everywhere. It's moving a little bit slow, but it's okay because we literally got like 8 minutes till that 9:30 open anyway. And I expect price to start getting a bit crazy before that. But look how I'm targeting these key levels. I'm going to drill these into your heads because honestly, it's just so handy to use as take profits instead of you just guessing where do you think price is going to go. These nice round numbers on the side are definitely something you should be using. But the more you zoom into the page, the more you're going to see more numbers. So just zoom out like a little bit like this. And then you'll see the major ones, like the 50s, the 650s, the 500s, the 7s. Do you know what I mean? Also, remember, we're scalping too. So we're just trying to scalp little bits off the market. We're not trying to sit there and watch price move all day. So this could easily just be a fake out wick now. But if I hit TP1, this purple line, I will close. Otherwise, if it comes back down, fakes me out, whatever, I'll just close out. It's losing a bit of momentum by the looks. Yeah, just started coming back down. It is a rejection, I can't speak, a resistance area. So, you know, I get it. If price just absolutely fucking shoots back down now. But now you can see the volume starting to pick up because it's like 5 minutes before the open. But just to point something out though, look at this. Look at where price actually tapped to. Like, bang on. Look at where it ended. Bang on the fucking rounded off psychological number, look. 39,450. Perfectly. The both candles. Look at that. Really got to study these candles and understand what they're doing. Let's go into the next round number. That's it. Now we're coming down pretty heavy from that resistance. Get rid of this kind of trend lines. They got broken. Take a look. Move my breakout line down to there now. And then I can be able to target more like this area. Make that a nice round number.
Order filled.
Order filled. So NASDAQ did push through, tap into the one, but pulled back pretty heavy. I could have closed out, but I didn't at the right time, that is. So I'm going to have to hope it pushes through to TP2 just to get back in. Or this could be a total fake out.
Order filled.
It is pushing. Tap into that second one for me. Tap into the both, that'd be nice. Okay. Nice. I'm just going to say that tapped into the second one. So it tapped into the two, which is nice. But how it's going to close is a whole nother story. This could just leave a big ass wick now. So we got to wait. Don't be FOMOing back in halfway through. Do you know what I mean? Especially when the candle's about to close. If it had like another 2 minutes on it and it was still pushing with that volume, I'd be in. But I can see it's going to close and the chances of it leaving a big wick now is so high. But yeah, smash 2 TPs. So now we just wait for this 5 minute candle to close and see what happens and how it ends. Oh, look at it. Going for TP3 as well, almost. Yeah, nice. So if it tapped into TP3, I'm just waiting to see now if it comes back up, taps into the resistance zone and drops or breaks completely through it. But we just got to wait. US30 is really doing nothing. NAS was bought a nice clean break for NASDAQ. I think if anybody took this, they would have, they'd be up now. They'd be out. They should be out the trade anyway. NAS is still melting. Do I get back in? 2 minutes left on the candle. Yes. If anything, I'd get in and target the resistance. So I want to see a nice push up or down. Fuck it, I'm going to sit on my hands for a minute. Take a little look on the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, look, it's really doing nothing. It's just struggling to get past this area. 30 seconds left, 37 seconds. I'm definitely expecting it to come back up though and tap into this area. Just because it's really refusing to push down with any more volume. So a little pullback is probably due. Not saying I can read the markets, but I'm just used to seeing this shit now. So just waiting. Yeah, it's going to be an indecision candle by the looks. So maybe we go back up, get a little pullback. Oh, no, we're pushing fucking down. Okay, if we break past these wicks, get back in. But otherwise, I still truly want to buy. I'm going to buy in with
Order
2
filled.
just because I believe it's going to come back for the pullback. And literally just got that feeling. Sit and watch. Nice. Beautiful. Exactly what I thought it was going to do. I'm good with
Order
that. I'm
filled.
good with that. Cool. Yeah, I'm good with that. See what it's doing. US30 was absolutely shit. So that's why having these both charts open has been helping me loads, like just to watch the both of them. But if you ain't, you know, used to that yet or confident, I wouldn't advise it. But look, just to show you, you can adapt in these crazy markets. Do you know what I mean? Just have confidence, believe in yourself, and yeah, use these simple concepts: support and resistance, breakout lines, and key levels. That is literally it. And volume at the right session. Also, for everyone in America, all the US people that watch, you say you can't use fusion markets, and that sucks because that's like my favorite broker. But the actual one that MambaFx uses, the broker Mamba uses, is called Liquid Brokers. So if you want to check them out, the link is in the description. It is a safe link to get you there. I've checked them out myself. I've done, you know, a bit of research on them to see if it's safe or not, if they're a bit sketchy, but they're not. They pay out like every time as far as I've seen, and yeah, they're a good broker, so go check them out if you're struggling to find a good forex broker in the US. Liquid Brokers in the description. But otherwise, Fusion Markets is my favorite. If you enjoyed this video, then sub up, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.